Patterson Pump Company. Patterson's service department specializes in parts, startup, alignment, complete rebuilds, maintenance, and repairs. Patterson received this emergency repair order from the New Orleans Sewer and Water Board. We repaired cracks and deficiencies in the diffuser bearing housing, repaired flanges and increased thickness of walls on the column pipe and increaser pipe, fabricated a new suction bell, made minor repairs to the discharge head such as straightened handrails and machined upper and lower halves. We machined and made necessary repairs to the spare propeller. All parts were shot blasted, primed, and painted before assembly and shipment. Among the parts Patterson received with this pump were 3 impellers. Here is one of the spares that could not be used due to extensive damage. Here's another spare impeller and suction bell that could not be used due to extensive damage. A liquid penetrant test indicated that this impeller was not usable. Here is another spare impeller that was not usable due to damage. Here shows the column pipe and the diffuser, which were severely damaged. Patterson was able to use the old column pipe after reconditioning it. The customer's suction bell was damaged beyond repair. This angle shows the broken flanges on the suction bell. The customer's diffuser was beyond repair. Here's a new diffuser casting prior to machining. Here we have the impeller housing being machined. New suction bell material is being rolled. A new suction bell being fabricated. Here, a worker is installing the column into the new suction bell. The new suction bell being machined. The suction bell after shot blast nearing completion. The suction bell coated in coal tar epoxy. One of the customer's original impellers was salvageable, shown here balanced to ANSI G2.5 standard. Here is the same impeller after quality inspection, showing measurements of vane angle and tips to ensure correctness. Here's the customer's increaser being machined. The lower discharge head being machined. Here is the lower discharge head with the ferro laser tracker mounted to ensure surface is within tolerance. Final product assembled. The assembled pump is on the truck for delivery. Patterson rebuilt this pump and reinstalled it and tested it within 8 weeks of removal.